run my businesses and agency, I used to think I needed one tool for websites, one for hosting, another for appointments, another for email marketing, another one for forms, and the list just kept growing. But now I've replaced more than 10 of these tools with one platform. And the biggest benefit isn't the money that I'm saving. It's the fact that the entire customer journey is finally connected. I'm going to show you exactly what I replaced, what I'm using instead, and how a lead can go from discovering a business to booking, buying, and leaving a review without ever falling through the cracks. So instead of using a collection of marketing features, I wanted to build an operating system for the business. And this is very important if you run an agency or for any business that you might have, because otherwise it is really hard to understand where your leads come from and what happens next. So previously I was using a separate website provider, a hosting provider, another provider for domains because I thought that was the best place to get domains, and then the hosting depended on whether I had a platform already or I started all my websites on another platform. So I was all over the place before. So before I found this tool and decided to use it solely for my businesses, I used a bunch of different ones. And I had also tried a lot of AI website builders before to use for my clients, but they haven't worked as I wanted them to. And after finding this tool, I decided it is the best one to use for my agencies and to also host my clients' businesses onto as well. So all of these sites that you see right here, they can be built inside HighLevel with their AI website builder. It takes a few minutes once you give it a prompt, an image of the branding that you're looking for, replace your logo and a few things, and your website is good to go. Now, this is super helpful if you have clients that you want to show to that you can build professional websites. It is super easy to show them an example and then work together on building the perfect website for them. What I like about HighLevel is that it incorporates, as I mentioned, all of these tools into one tool. So you can have your site, you can purchase domains, you can have funnels, forms, quizzes, all of these things into the same platform. So I don't need to go back and forth and install plugins and do all of these things, because if you need an app for anything, you can find it inside HighLevel. So it supports website, funnel building, templates, connected domains, and direct domain purchasing and management. You can have centralized management inside one tool. Now, for the aesthetic clinics that I'm managing with my agency, I love that I can use HighLevel for them, not just to build a website, but to build a business system for them. So whenever somebody books a consultation with a system that I build, it immediately enters the clinic's follow-up system. So their details are being entered into the CRM. They get automatic follow-ups for their appointment reminders, and so much more. So this is how I do it. I couldn't have done it if I didn't have a tool that would support this system building. Then, as I mentioned, with HighLevel, you can use forms, surveys, and lead capture tools. So you can have contact forms, consultation or quote requests, treatment eligibility questionnaire, surveys, workflows, and much more. So whenever this person enters a form, so they complete a form, they don't just go into your inbox and that's it. They get signed up into your CRM. So if they're interested in a specific treatment plan, they're entered there, you know what type of patient they want to become, and they automatically enter the correct pipeline for you to manage them very well. And before I had this, I didn't even use this lead generation systems. So I didn't have a system for my agencies and my businesses. And this is honestly one of the reasons why I lost so many leads and customers, because I didn't put my focus on this. But with HighLevel, CRM opportunity sections allow businesses to build pipelines and visually track where each lead sits in the sales process. And if you don't know a tool like HighLevel, you probably didn't even know that this existed and that you could do this to avoid losing customers, to avoid losing leads, and to automate the entire follow-up process. Because most businesses, even digital marketing agencies, they don't need more leads. They probably already have them, but they don't have the business system to support bringing that lead from being a simple question asked on their website, a simple form submission, to an actual paying customer. Other tools that I've replaced are booking and scheduling apps. So for booking appointments, you can have, if you are a freelancer, you offer services with your digital marketing agency, you are coaching and offer consultation, booking is super important. And whenever you did that on a regular website, you didn't have the entire system and booking system to support you. But inside HighLevel, you have a calendar connected to your website, services and appointment types, availability, confirmation page, appointment status, automated reminders, and rescheduling or cancellation options. And it can also use calendar links in supported meta lead ad booking flows. So a standard booking app just helps somebody pick a time and send them a confirmation email, for example. But with this system that you can build with HighLevel, you know exactly where the person came from, what service they requested, what messages they received, and what should happen after the appointment. And inside HighLevel, you can build automations. So, for example, appointment booked, instant confirmation email, instant confirmation SMS, reminders 48 hours before, a few hours before, internal notifications to your staff members so they know that it exists. And then you have a no-show workflow when appropriate and a post-appointment follow-up. So this can also happen for any type of service that you're offering, but it is specifically great for salons, clinics, and service-based businesses. Then we have email marketing and SMS. As you know, whenever you have your email list on a different platform, you need to import them, and then there's not much you know about them unless they're part of different groups. But by building this entire thing inside this CRM, you can really know, again, where they came from, what they want, what types of emails and SMS messages you need to send to each client. Other tools that I've replaced with this one are any AI tools for business like chatbots and AI website builders, as I said before. But with HighLevel, now you have more than just a chatbot and things like that. You have conversation AI that takes everything about your business, helps people, talks to potential clients, and even helps them book appointments. You have the AI entire studio that you can use to create content for your social media, to create automations, emails, funnels, and websites, and so much more. Now, HighLevel is running Summer of AI, in which you can get all of these tools for free for the entirety of summer. If you want to check out the offer, the link is in the description below. And if you want to try AI for your business, I highly recommend you do it right now when you can do it for free. And I really think that you will get so much use out of it that you won't need anything else. Now, other replacements I've done are for course membership platforms, selling digital products, webinars, and communities. So if before I would use something else to sell my courses or digital products, now I can have them in one platform, in one tool, which is HighLevel, because I can offer my community to people interested, courses, add digital products there, host webinars, even sell courses and digital products so you don't have to give them for free only. You have your client portal, everything else is set up right in there. And again, for the same amount per month, you don't have to pay extra for any of these. Now, for running a digital marketing agency, this tool is what really helps, because not only you can build this entire business system for your business, for your agency, you can build it for every single one of your customers by adding them to your sub accounts inside your platform. So you're not just selling them a service, you're selling them an entire business system. Then I replaced reputation and review management softwares, because with HighLevel you can request reviews for Google or Facebook review links. You have a review dashboard, website review widget, video testimonial collections, and it supports automated and manual review requests. This is super helpful if you have a Google business profile, for example, you are gathering reviews and you want to showcase these on your website as a digital marketing agency or any type of business. This is mandatory social proof that you need to display on your website to increase credibility and become a trustworthy business for your customers. So if you're looking to build your business on a platform that supports a one customer journey experience, and building repeatable systems that you can use for both your businesses and your clients' businesses, then HighLevel is the one to go. If you want to use their AI features, link is in the description for their summer offer. And if you want to try it out for your business, you can get 30 days free with the link below. Whatever one you choose, I highly recommend trying it out because it really does bring everything together and it will make managing your businesses a lot easier. So if you want to start building business systems, not just websites, this is the tool for you. Make sure to try it out, and if you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!